A cordless leaf blower runs on either batteries or gas, allowing you to tidy up your landscaping without being limited by a power cord. We researched leaf blowers from the top gardening and tool brands, evaluating range, motor type, ease of use, and value. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Greenworks 40V Cordless Leaf Blower. High-performance G-Max 40V lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss after charging. Variable speed delivers wind speed up to 150 miles per hour, perfect for cleaning debris and leaves off hard surface areas and patios. Additional speed control on sweeper tip offers better sweeping and gathering capabilities. Lightweight, robust design for user efficiency and ease of use. Low-maintenance electric tool stores away without the gas and oil mess. Adjustable airflow tip allows for increased control over wind speeds. Electric motor so it starts the first time, every time. Number 2, EGO Power Plus LB5302 Cordless Leaf Blower. Compact, lightweight design, 7.4 pounds with 2.5 Ah battery. Variable speed dial, 250 CFM/400 CFM/530 CFM. High efficiency brushless motor. Weather-resistant construction. Turbine fan engineering. Power source type battery. This is 580 CFM, which means it moves a very high volume of air, which is much more important for leaf blowing than wind speed at the nozzle. Any blower that is advertising its nozzle speed, mph, is covering for the fact that they have a low CFM and your leaf blowing experience will be crap. In short, this thing not only blows, but it blows a lot all at once by sheer volume of air coming out. Number 3, DeWalt 20V Max *XR Leaf Blower. Battery-operated leaf blower gets up to 450 CFM of air volume and up to 125 miles per hour with concentrator. Innovative axial fan design of the cordless blower that maximizes on air output and run time. Battery leaf blower with low noise during operation. High-efficiency brushless motor helps extend runtime and motor life. Lightweight and ergonomic design allows for easy control and arm movement. Variable trigger and speed lock for precise power control. Up to 87 minutes runtime on lowest speed and 12 minutes runtime on highest speed using a DeWalt DCB205 battery, per full charge. Number 4, Electric Leaf Blower. Tired of the limitation of cord, the feeling of yanking a gas pull-out and the noisy sound blowers make? Consider getting the latest Chemo electric leaf blower now. No longer need a heavy backpack or trip over an extension cord. It is battery-operated, relatively quiet yet robust. Consider getting the latest Chemo electric leaf blower now. No longer need a heavy backpack or trip over an extension cord. It is battery-operated, relatively quiet yet robust. In order to make it more convenient for users to use, this leaf blower cordless with battery and charger only requires 2 installation steps. Insert the nozzle, and then insert the battery. You can start to enjoy the sense of accomplishment of cleaning your beloved courtyard in 1 minute. Number 5, Black Plus Decker 20V Cordless Sweeper. Easily clears debris from hard surfaces like driveways, decks, and garages. Air speed up to 130 miles per hour. Operates on a 20V Max 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for up to 18 months. Lightweight with a low noise design. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. The nominal voltage is 18. Part of the 20-volt max system. Included lithium-ion cordless sweeper. Number 6, WRX 40V Turbine Cordless Leaf Blower. Worx engineers figured out how to get a jet engine type motor inside of a leaf blower. Super powerful, yet not so loud that you'll think it's getting ready for takeoff. Go slow for pavement or tight corners. Switch to speed 2 on the open lawn and see what turbine power can do. That's high capacity air volume, so you clear your property in fewer passes and with less legwork. It's only 7.3 pounds, and the ergonomic design funnels the wind in a way that's easy to handle. This power source was made to be more dynamic, reliable, and to perform better than its predecessors. With all the tech built into this engine and into the turbine fan, you'll feel like you've got a leaf blower from the future. Number 7. Stihl 320 CFM Leaf Blower. This leaf blower is equipped with a copper motor, which has a longer lasting life. Meanwhile, the cellular radiator design at the bottom effectively reduces the risk of overheating safer and is more durable. Stihl, this cordless leaf blower with battery, provides you with a one-stop solution. We provide you with one bare tool plus two 2.0 a lithium battery plus one fast charger at one time. Sweeps debris from shops, garages, driveways, outdoor yards, and gardens, fell wet leaves, or clears hard-to-reach surfaces. This battery-powered leaf blower provides you with 2 levels of adjustable speed.